That's according to early models. I want to go now to our meteorologist, Derek Van Dam. He joins us now from in front of the Time Warner Center. Thank you very much.
Braving the weather together.
I know. It's been tough. It's been interesting to be out on the roads and watching people and watch. As it got closer to 11 p.m., the streets become more desolate and more desolate.
Quiet.
So what's the deal when it comes to, because it appears for now,
yeah,
if you're looking at it now, that New York City may have dodged a bullet, but do we know that yet?
Actually, we've been monitoring it very closely. We are expecting actually the snowfall totals to range anywhere from an additional 4 to 8 inches of snow for New York City, but the real snowmaker is going to be Boston. We're talking Providence into Rhode Island, Connecticut, as well as parts of Massachusetts and along the Atlantic coast of Maine. So that's where we're focusing. The highest totals, 1 to 2 feet, even locally higher up to 3 feet. Still a possibility, but we have trimmed back those numbers here in New York.
I didn't get to ask Anna and also George Howell, because there's some concern about coastal flooding. What's the concern level there?
So basically, we've just come off of low tide, and we're working our way towards high tide, which would be roughly around 2 o'clock in the morning. So what we're going to see is an extra surge of moisture and water coming up on shore. We're talking anywhere between 2 and 4, even possibly 3 to 5 feet above where it normally would be. So some of the sandbanks there will start to get moved around, and we have the potential for coastal flooding.
So it's interesting. What I've been hearing, especially from the folks in Boston, that this is really the perfect storm. What all came together in order to make this such a big snowmaker, and wind as well?
Yeah, it started out as a clipper coming down from Canada, and then it moved off to the East Coast. And basically, do you remember about in December when we had that huge snow event, the lake effect snow event in Buffalo, New York?
Right.
This is the same concept that's happening here as well. What we're doing is we're seeing this low pressure form off the East Coast of the United States, picking up all that moisture and creating these bands of extremely heavy snowfall. And that, exactly where those heavy bands set up, is still questionable, but we're already seeing several inches of snow on these.
It's unbelievable how big this is, because it's been winter storm warnings have been issued all the way from Maryland through Maine and into Canada.
Right, that's right. Yeah, we're talking about up to 60 million people under the threats of either a winter storm warning or blizzard warnings. But remember, for a blizzard to actually be in effect, we have to meet 2 different criteria. That's sustained winds of 55 miles per hour for at least 3 hours. And I think we'll see that here in New York overnight, and certainly into Boston and Connecticut.
Yeah. It's really cold out here. I was in the car and I was like, oh, it's not so bad. But you know, when you're in the car, what we have dubbed our Blizzard Mobile.
I love that, Tim.
Yeah,
where are you off to next?
I don't know. Who knows? A lot of people want to take the Blizzard Mobile home. Some people wanted me to take it up 95 to Boston, where the snow is. But anyway, we've been watching Twitter, and it's been trending. People have been talking about the Blizzard Mobile, but that's what it is.
And how did you...
mobile? We were mobile out in the storm, and I think it's interesting to show people in real time what is happening, especially when a city as big as New York City, the biggest city in this country, when they have set everybody off the streets of the city, when they close down the subway system in New York City, that is a big deal.
Walking up Broadway Street, no cars whatsoever, something I've never seen before.
Yeah, city that doesn't sleep. Pretty darn
Apparently it is tonight.